Hi everyone, this time we bring our project named FreeFlow. With the wide spread of the internet, it becomes natural to manage our work and life in the digital world. We could get access to our information everywhere. It's super convenient. But in some areas, it doesn't do so well as we expect. In such situations, like applying a visa or making a pizza, where we must follow the step-by-step procedures in order to get it done. When we search such procedures online, we could often see things like this. They are working, but just not so good and friendly. With our free flow, we introduce a new way to design a better UI to present the flow online. I'll introduce the free flow through an example closely related to job posting. Yeah. For example, now I want to add a job applicant filter. I use this workflow to filter the job applicants based on their profile. Then I'll add the process now. First I get a start point, and then I add a process point to this. I link them and in the process node we just prepare the profile, and then after we get the profile we could filter them based on and set our conditions. Now I want specific nationalities, then I can set the conditions here. For example, Chinese, Singapore, such as. And then I can also add other conditions. Okay, same way. Education. Now I felt it's a bit crowded, and I could rearrange this flowchart just by dragging them. Okay, so work experience, and finally I add the country. Yeah, I've added all the conditions I wanted. I add an endpoint to this to make it a complete workflow. Now I've got the workflow for filter the job applicants based on my conditions. Using this workflow, we can easily get the status of the job applicants. Given the job seeker profile, it will went through the nodes in the flow accordingly. The process nodes could make changes to the data. The condition nodes then judge the data, and if it fails, it could stop the entire flow if the data doesn't meet the condition. And with this, you could see a failed workflow like this. and you can tell which step it fails. And if all nodes are successful, it means the workflow is successful. You will see things like this. It's pretty much more straightforward. Next, I'll introduce the implementation of our free flow. Free flow is a web-based plugin and also lightweight. It could be easily integrated into any web applications. The core technology we use is this. We keep the whole workflow in a well-structured JSON, and based on this JSON, we can always render the exact same workflow. So every time you get the exact same workflow. What's more, it could also work well with our form designer, which will make them much stronger. Thank you.